Hello everybody and welcome to another Uber Eats video. I'm in a new city now. I'm in Glasgow. I have moved city and I'm going to be making videos from here now. Okay, just got our first order from Yippon. I've never been there, don't know what it is. Hopefully it's nice. And yep, let's just get straight to it. Got a bonus order from Taco Bell, adding another £2 onto the delivery. Yippon is just right there, so not bad start at all. Also, I got a new phone now, a wireless one. Oh, of course, it's a lot of orders.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. I've just decided to cancel the Taco Bell. It wasn't about a lot of money, and it was taking me quite far out the way. I also do not know Glasgow at all. I kind of feel like a brand new rider, just like wandering about in the dark. So we're just gonna keep it simple for today. This first order is for £4, but it's quite far away. For Adam N.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, that was a busy trippy. Oh, this is so close. This is literally the street I was just on. For £3. This is a good delivery. Oh, another delivery. Please be back into town. Yep, I'll take that £4. Take me back into the city. Not bad, not bad. Oh. And there's your cat for son.
Alright, that's fine, thank you.
Wait, Peri Peri's I'm picking up from. Oh no, it's not closed. Got another delivery as well, £2.60, same direction. So this will be for about £6 something. Not bad at all. Indra G, ING, it's Uber Eats. Oh, 5 minutes? 5 minutes, yeah, that's fine.
15 minutes later.
Okay, quite a while, long wait there, about 10 minutes, but with this bonus delivery, at least I know it'll be ready. Whoops, wrong way. At least I know the bonus will be ready. After a very confusing ride over, I'm at the Palm Tree Kitchen. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm so confused. I think this is it. Oh, I'm so confused, guys. Is it recording? Yeah. Utterly confused on this scene, man. Hopefully this makes a decent video. I'm not saying a lot because I'm just confused and scared because it's so different to what I know. Going all the way up to 411.
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go.
That's great, thank you.
Have a lovely day. This is the most stressed I've ever been doing deliveries in my life. I feel like a rookie all over again, you know? I feel like this is my first day on the job. You man?
Thank you so much. Have a good one, yeah?
Yep, you too. Oh, another delivery? Where the hell? Okay, let's just take the delivery. Got nothing else to do. Hey, got another delivery. It's an extra 10 minutes for an extra £2. Let's just take that, because... Hiya. Picking up for Lee and Claire. Yep. Mindy.
You'll take that for me?
Yep. Wait, I've got other orders in my bag, so I might just make sure it fits first. If it doesn't, then I'll have to cancel it. I'm not sure if... Yeah, I'm not sure if that's going to fit.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, just have to do that. Sorry about that.
Good man. Sorry about that.
No, it's my bad. There you go.
Thank you, lovely.
Have a lovely night. Okay, we are nearly at the customer's house. Time for Lee?
Yeah.
Perfect. There you go. Have a great night. Got another order. Oh, seems to be just non-stop tonight. Oh, another order. I mean, order's an order. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you very much. Thank you guys, have a good night. Thank you. I feel like I'm about to get murdered. So I just have the camera on, so if I get murdered, then there'll be video footage of the murderers. You probably won't be able to see anything, but there will be audio recording of the murder at least. Finally, at the customer's house. Oh, and it's got alcohol. There you go. Have an absolutely lovely night. Bye. It's very different kind of delivering to Edinburgh, I'd say. Much more going out into suburbia land, which I'm sure you can avoid, which is why I see all the riders in the city, but it doesn't seem to be paying off too badly for me. Just a lot more riding. The camera is running low on charge though, so I might have to start skipping some delivery recordings. Hopefully not though. There you go, mate. Oh, thank you so much. I don't know. It's only 3 floors, I'll just walk. There you go, man. Have a lovely night. Okay, so with that delivery, I think I'm just gonna call it for the night. It's getting dark and I do not know this city very well. I've made £33 so far. I'll just wait a little bit for the tips to roll in, and we'll do some adding up once I get back to like my finished up area. Okay, so we're back in the bike shed, and it was a pretty good first day delivering it in a brand new city for me. So I was out for 2 hours and 55 minutes, including home time, and in that I made £35, including tips, which I got a £2 cash tip. And then rounded that out, that's £12 an hour, which is really not bad. I've moved to Glasgow, so all the new content will be in Glasgow, and I know nothing about Glasgow, so we'll be learning new stuff, and I hope to bring you guys all along for the trip. So please subscribe and like if you want to see more of it, because I'll be making more of it. I might be doing a few more deliveries without recording them so I can learn the city better, because heart rate was so high during this, man. Scary, scary stuff, riding in a new city. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching. See you.